We have here a KitchenAid Classic Blender, and the impeller connector coupler thingy has kind of shredded and exploded on me. It mates up with this thing which goes to the jar, but basically it turns this, and it's old. It's like 20 years old, and it's just gotten yucky. So what we're going to do is change this. It's very easy to change. This is a reverse threaded screw. Let me show you the parts I bought from Amazon to do this with. I bought a coupler kit off Amazon. It comes with a pair of couplers. They're nice, soft rubber, and they're molded over the screw part that goes on. And it comes with this nice, super skinny flat wrench to remove the old one, which I'll show you here real quick how that works. So this is screwed on, like I mentioned earlier. It's a reverse thread, so clockwise is loose. And if I try and turn it, it spins on the motor here. This just slides in underneath, and it will click in when you get the right orientation. That lets me hold the shaft still while I turn this clockwise. Of course, that didn't work very well, so in the event that it doesn't come off, it may need a little help from a wrench. Okay, I've got a set of channel lock pliers here adjusted to fit this. I'm just going to turn it clockwise. There it goes. Super easy. Comes right off. Now there are some videos, you see a lot of videos actually, to get this off, they will, because it's made out of aluminum, they'll talk about using a screwdriver to stick in here and actually bend and malform the metal piece, actually breaking it off. I would not recommend doing that. It does put stress on the shaft that is not really intended. Don't know what the long-term effects on the unit would be doing that. It's really easy to get off with a pair of pliers, so just use pliers. Then we'll real quick put the new one on now that it's all cleaned up, and remember, it is left to tighten it up. That's it. And it'll get tighter as you use it, so there's no need to use a wrench to tighten that up. Quick and easy repair. Anybody can do this.
I think the girls with their nails done now.